What's going on, man? You demo?
Yeah, you want me there?
Let me grab it.
Either way, you leave it open or shut it, whatever you want to do.
Alright.
You want me to grab that cup?
You would think she.
No, unless you want it out of your way.
Oh, no, I'm good. I ain't gonna try to do it. What you running here, man?
615s, American base hybrid built by Directronics, VFL 8K.
Ready to black. Relax, you're about to get smoking crack and breaking. It's DJ Rust.
I don't even know what to play.
Rusticles. Another soldier. It's DJ Rusticles.
Yeah, most definitely. I sure appreciate the demo, brother.
Oh, I played all day. It don't bother me. I like it.
Yeah, man. This thing looking good too. You on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Oh, what?
You on Facebook or Instagram anywhere?
TikTok. I do TikTok, yeah.
Okay, where can I follow you on there? You got
No Limit Cherokee.
Okay, I'm gonna be sure to tag my video.
All right. What's your YouTube?
BASSWITHKEV.
All right.
Yeah, I left everything on the car and everything. So you better find it. I appreciate it, brother.
They want in there?
Yeah, you want one?